Question number 24. Okay. A plane polarized light wave of intensity I0 is incident anomaly on a polarizing filter. So, a plane polarized light, that means already it is being plane polarized over here, is incident on a polarizing filter. The initial intensity of the transmitted wave is 0, which means what? So, let us say, so this is your first filter, okay, not this one. So, usually you put this as your first, but here they have put this as a first over here. This is your first over here. When you have a plane polarized light, let us say this could be your plane polarized light, you observe that if you keep this perpendicular like this, what can happen? None of the light will enter, right? So that is what is happening. That's right. Next, a second polarizing filter is then inserted in the source and the first filter. Now we have said this is the first filter, this is your source over here, this is the second filter which is inserted here. Its transmission axis is 45 degrees to the transmission axis of the first filter. So you kept it at 45 degrees like this over here. When you keep it like this, what can happen? This is your intensity I0. When it comes here, this will be, you can apply Malus Law here. Okay, I0 cos squared 45 would be the intensity here, which should now be equal to I0 by root 2, because cos 45 is 1 by root 2, square of it becomes I0 by root 2, I0 by 2. Okay, then what is the intensity of the transmitted wave after the filter combination? When this comes here, so now this is vibrating like this over here, but the transmission is like this over here. What is the angle once again? The angle is once again 45. So when it comes outside here, this will be I0 by 2, apply Malus Law once again, cos squared 45, which should now be equal to I0 by 2 into half, which should now be equal to I0 by 4. Thus the answer is C over here.